Hello, today we will guide you through how to add banner ads to WordPress website. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control area where you manage your site's design, content, and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. This menu gives you access to the key parts of your website. From there, click on Appearance. This section is where you control the visual layout and styling of your WordPress site. After opening Appearance, select Editor. The editor allows you to make design changes directly to your site layout, which is useful when you want to place a banner ad in a visible area of the page. When the editor opens, go to the top left corner and click the plus sign. This button is used to add a new block to the page or template you're editing. In WordPress, blocks are the building pieces used to create and arrange content, so this is the tool you'll use to insert your banner ad. After clicking the plus sign, enter Image in the search field. This helps you quickly locate the correct block type without having to scroll through the full list of options. When the image block appears, click on it to add it to your layout. At this stage, WordPress will prompt you to choose an image source. Click Upload, then browse for your sample banner image on your computer. Select the banner file you want to use, and continue with the on-screen procedure to complete the upload. Depending on your setup, you may see a few prompts related to image selection or placement, so simply follow those as they appear. As you do this, take a moment to make sure the banner image you choose is the correct size for the area where it will appear. A properly sized banner will look cleaner and more professional, and it can help avoid spacing or alignment issues in your layout. If needed, you can adjust placement after inserting the image so it fits naturally within the page design. Once the image is added, review how it looks in the editor before moving on. This quick check helps confirm that the banner is visible, properly positioned, and consistent with the rest of the page. That's it. You've now added a banner ad to your WordPress website using the site editors and image block.